Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Ford Focus. Connecting your smartphone to your car's infotainment system is a straightforward process that enhances your driving experience. You'll be able to make hands-free calls, stream your favorite music, and even use voice commands, all while keeping your focus on the road. Let's dive into the easy steps to get your phone paired and ready to go. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable mode. Next, navigate to your Ford Focus's infotainment system. Look for the phone or Bluetooth menu, then select the option to add device or pair new device. Your car will then search for available devices. Once your phone appears on the car's screen, select it. You'll see a pairing code on both your phone and the car's display. Confirm that they match and you're all set. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Troubleshooting is usually simple. Try restarting both your phone and your car's infotainment system. Sometimes, a quick reboot resolves minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and your car. This can prevent conflicts and ensure a clean connection. Finally, always make sure your phone's operating system is updated to its latest version for optimal compatibility. Once connected, explore advanced features like voice commands to control calls, music, and navigation without taking your hands off the wheel. For charging or even better audio quality, consider using a USB cable to connect your phone directly. This can also provide a more stable connection for certain apps. And speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter home cleaning experience. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your enhanced driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.